you will get this type of accessories packet which contain 4 wheels, 1 clip, 1 ball and 1 spring. Along with you will get the this dummy part, 1 stand and 1 rod. We will fix the wheel on the stand. If you want, you can remove the upper nut of the wheel. Okay, likewise you can tight the wheels very hard. This was the 4 wheel fitting. In the next part, loose this nut, loose the stand screw completely. Okay, now insert the rod, insert this rod like this. It should be outside from the stand. Now tight the screw. Tight the screw little bit harder so that it will hold the rod or the pedal pressure when we stand on the pedal. Now apply pressure on the pedal and lift the rod up. Now once again you have to loose this nut. Now put the spring like this and insert the rod on the stand. Check properly, it should be outside from the stand like this. After that you have to tight the nut very hard. This is the final fitting. Now the next part is to put this clip on the top of the rod and make it down freely. Now insert this mannequin horizontally. Likewise, this is the rod come out from the head part. Now make sure that this screw should be tight. This screw should be tight very hard. Now put the cap and make 4 or 5 rounds with the ball. Then the next part, lift it up and make upside down and downside up like this. Now apply pressure on this clip and tight the clip. Now make downside and upside down. Now take care of this pedal. Pedal should be on the center. And the thing is that if you want to move height up and down, you have to just stand on the pedal. See, if you want to lift it up, apply pressure on the pedal, lift it up and remove your leg. It will automatically lock. This was the process how we install the mannequin. And how to increase or decrease the height, just simply stand on this pedal, on this circle, pedal circle. Just stand the pedal circle and move it up and down like this.